Hi, I'm Miles from Meguiar's. Today we're going to be looking at removing bonded contaminants from your paintwork. Okay, we get two types of issues with our paintwork. We get defects, which are swirls and scratches, which are below surface, which we can remove with a compound or a paint cleaner. And then we get bonded contaminants, which are stuck to the paint surface. Our loose contaminants we can remove simply by washing the vehicle, which will get rid of these. And you always want to do that before you start with your clay kits. Okay, so we've got a couple of different options here in our clay kits, and our clay bars available from Meguiar's. We have the traditional clay bar, okay, available in a couple of different kit sizes, one with 2 bars and one with 3 bars. They both contain the Quik Detailer and a polishing cloth. Okay, and then we also have now the ceramic clay kit, which contains a ceramic synthetic pad with a coating on there. Okay, to remove, this is really good for removing mild contaminants, and then also the ceramic detailer. So this is great as well because you can apply some ceramic protection while you're doing your car. And that also comes with a polishing cloth as well. Okay, so before we start, make sure you wash your car, make sure your vehicle is cool to the touch in the shade and the surface is nice and cold, and then you're ready to start. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is check if we have bonded contaminants. So we simply need the palm of our hand, run it over your paintwork, and you'll be able to feel, it'll feel like sandpaper, and you'll also be able to hear it. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear like a sanding motion. And you can feel it, you can feel stuff stuck to the paintwork there. And that's bonded to your paintwork. So what we're going to do with the clay is remove that. It's probably the most fast, efficient way to get those bonded contaminants off. Okay, so we're going to use the clay bar on this vehicle. The contaminants are pretty heavy, so we're going to use the clay bar. Unwrap your clay bar, they come wrapped in plastic, flatten it out. So just flatten it out in the palm of your hand. Just like so. And then we get our detailer, liberally spray the detailer onto the clay, then onto the paint surface. And then keep the clay moving and run it over your paint surface. Spray a bit more detailer on if you need it to stop it from sticking. You can feel already that it's picking up a lot of those contaminants. And there we go. Just like that, we've removed all those contaminants. Those contaminants there could be anything from industrial fallout where you're working, or environmental, or insect droppings, or stuff from trees. It could be anything in the atmosphere that's stuck to the paint surface. And it's as easy as that to remove it. So now we simply just wipe off the excess detailer, give it a feel, and it's as smooth as. Now we're ready. If we like, we can now go on with a paint compound or a paint cleaner and then apply a polish and a wax. Okay, so here's a little demonstration to show you how well the clay's done the job. This side we haven't clayed, the bottle just sit there, this side here. Okay, so just a quick recap on what we've just done here. We've washed the vehicle to get off any loose contaminants, and then we've had bonded contaminants on the surface, so we've used a clay bar with the Quik Detailer and ran that over the surface to remove those bonded contaminants, and then remove the detailer with the polishing cloth. From here, you can now move on to use a compound, a polish, and then apply a wax to protect all your hard work. So that's it for this video. Keep an eye out for future videos on different products in the range. Thanks for watching.